Hi Eric. So in this issue, using API, we can apply the payment, voided payment basically, to the invoices, open invoices. So this payment I have, which is applied to this invoice 27. So the payment ID is 48 and 47. Yeah. So 47, 10 pounds. I'm going to void this payment, this payment transaction. Okay, I got 200 response, and now if I go and check, this is voided, and that related transaction is also unapplied. So now if I go and check, this amount should get increased by 10 pound. Okay, so it got increased. Now if I go and apply it again, yeah, so 47. So I'll add a transaction amount and date. Okay, so the response is 200. Transaction is still voided, but it is getting applied to this invoice again, and if I go and check, this will get reduced by $10 open balance. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.